There exists an organ virtually unknown in the body. It's a particular kind of heat pad and consists of specialized brown fat cells. It was long thought that its sole function was to protect infants from cooling immediately after birth. Brown fat.
We have the white fat that stores energy, and then we have the brown fat that dissipates energy. And the brown fat is very important for us as infants or as babies because we cannot defend ourselves against cold, the cold shock after birth, etc. And so we need an organ that does that, and this organ is the brown fat. So it's like a small stove that we carry around.
This is what this small stove looks like under a microscope. Unlike the more familiar white fat, it contains visibly smaller lipid droplets and looks like muscle tissue. It has a fascinating effect on the human body, and it's as simple as it is astonishing. When the body is exposed to cold, brown fat is activated, and a conversion of white and beige fat can occur. This is typically found at the neck, spine, and shoulder areas. The crucial question is, can brown fat be used as a natural weight loss mechanism?
The principle behind our research is to find new ways to rebalance energy homeostasis in patients with obesity or people with metabolic disease.
In 2009, a series of studies confirmed the presence of active brown adipose tissue in adults for the first time. Since then, there has been a sense of optimism in the research community.
For ages, people with obesity were told just to eat less and to work out more, but that didn't work. Obesity is rising and rising and rising, and it's a huge problem for our health systems worldwide. So we need new ways to treat obesity, to help these people.
But how can brown fat be activated? The TRR333 consortium is working on precisely this. Funded by the German Research Foundation, TRR333 is searching for ways to safely activate and increase brown fat. More precisely, increasing brown fat's heat-producing capabilities.
Each cell has different compartments which are very important for the functions of the cells. And we have generated tools to map or to generate cellular maps or atlases of the cells. And we use this to study how the cells remodel during different metabolic conditions or during differentiation.
The underlying mechanism of this process is complex. Muscle, liver, intestine, and nerve cells. Various organs send signals to the brown fat cells. This activates signaling cascades within the brown fat cell that set complex biomechanical processes in motion. In the end, the brown fat cell converts fat into energy and generates heat, a process known as thermogenesis. Or it produces hormones, growth factors, and molecules that in turn affect various tissues. Influencing this mechanism affects metabolic health.
There's a very important study from New York that showed in more than 50,000 patients that those people that have brown fat are metabolically and also cardiovascular system is healthier. So the more brown fat you have, the healthier your cardiovascular system is.
The ultimate goal is to positively influence natural fat burning with medication. There are more than 70 people involved in 19 projects at 4 renowned locations across Germany. The University of Bonn and University Hospital Bonn, the Technical University of Munich, the University of Hamburg, and the Helmholtz Center Munich. A special doctoral program as part of the TRR333 consortium offers 23 researchers the opportunity to acquire interdisciplinary research skills.
Everybody is super supportive, and I think supervision is really special. So it's always good to have a good network, and if this starts really in early stages of your career, you can just benefit from it. I think that's really the beneficial or the best part of it, to get to know other people who are doing research in the same field, but also in general in the field of metabolism.
The TRR333 research collaboration is a crucial factor in getting closer to the ultimate goal: becoming metabolically healthier. TRR333. Bot Energy.